Hi everybody. Well, whether you're an investor or an agent, in actual fact in any sphere, but specifically investors and agents, what are you worth? What is your hourly rate? Do you know what you are worth per hour? Because this makes us look at how we go about our daily life slightly differently. It makes us see that a cup of coffee with someone is not necessarily the 50 Rand or whatever it is. It is a lot more, because you add that hour plus your hourly rate. That cup of coffee can be very expensive. You will choose who you spend your time with far more wisely once you know your hourly rate. It's a simple exercise, but we do use a calculation of 11 months in the year, and we do use 40 hours in a week. If you are earning after expenses 20,000 a month, well, if you do the math, that comes out to be 115, 114 Rand per hour. Is that enough for you? Look at yourself and consider, what are you worth? Is what you're doing or what you've invested in, or is your time well spent to earn what you believe you are worth? If not, consider making a change or scale up and invest in more property. Either way, it is a very good thing to know what you are worth per hour. That way, you will act differently. Happy investing, happy selling.